In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture in Evernote step by step, whether you're using the desktop app or the web version. This is a quick but useful update if you want your account to look more professional, more personal, or just more up to date. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, sign into your Evernote account. You can do this from the Evernote desktop app or by logging in through your web browser. Once you're inside your account, you'll need to open your account settings. If you're on the desktop app, look for your name or profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Click that, and then choose Account Info. This will open your account details page in your browser, where the profile options are located. Now that you're on the account details page, look for the Profile tab. This is where Evernote keeps your personal account settings, including your name and profile picture. Click on Profile to open those options. Once you're in the Profile section, find the current photo or the Change Photo button. Depending on your device or version of Evernote, you may see slightly different wording, but the option will usually be very clear. Next, click Change Photo or click directly on the current image if that's what appears on your screen. After that, select Upload New. This tells Evernote that you want to choose a new picture from your computer or device instead of using the existing one. A file picker window should appear, allowing you to browse your files. At this point, choose the image you want to use as your new profile picture. It's best to pick a clear, high-quality photo that looks good in a small circular frame, since profile pictures are often displayed as thumbnails. Once you find the image, select it and confirm your choice. Evernote may give you a preview so you can make sure it looks right before saving. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save Changes. This is the final step that applies your new profile picture to your Evernote account. After saving, your updated photo should appear across your account wherever your profile image is shown. If you don't see the change right away, refresh the page or restart the app just to make sure the update syncs properly. In most cases, the change happens almost immediately, but sometimes a quick refresh helps it appear everywhere. And that's it. You've successfully changed your profile picture in Evernote. It only takes a minute once you know where to go, and now your account can reflect the image you actually want to use. If this video helped you, please give it a like. Subscribe for more Evernote tips and software tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.